Hey everybody, happy New Year's Eve. We're at the comment picker because it is time to pick the winner for my giveaway for the Pureauty Naturals. We had the lip mask and lip plumper that were part of that giveaway. Thank you to Pureauty Naturals for supplying the products for this giveaway. I had you guys leave a comment. You just needed to use the word lips to get entered. Let's go ahead and see how many people are entered in this giveaway. Huh. Only 18. This is going to be somebody's lucky night. So let's see who our winner is. Hang on. Miss Shannon Carroll says, "Hi Stephanie, these are amazing products. Always interested in reversing the aging and fine lines in my lips. To plump my non-existent lips is always a plus." All right, of course you have to be subscribed publicly to my channel. Let's go confirm she is in compliance. Hang on, guys. Okay, everybody, sorry about a little bit of glare on the screen, but here I am. We're on her channel. I am over here kind of on the right. So congratulations, girl. You are the winner, and I will need you to email me at opinionatedhorsewoman@gmail.com. It's all one word. Of course, you can find that down below in the description or, of course, on the About tab on my channel here. And I will need your, of course, mailing address. These are going to go in the U.S. Postal Service, so I need a solid address for the U.S. mail to find you. If you would like, you can, of course, include your cell phone because the U.S. Postal Service can enroll you in, give you text updates on the location of the package. That is entirely up to you, but give me an email, and congratulations, and thanks everybody. Again, thank you to Pureauty Naturals for providing the products on this, and have a great New Year's, everybody.